In this video, we're going to walk through how to find the correlation coefficients for different pairs of data. For the purposes of this video, we're going to take a look at test scores here for School C for a group of students. I have for specific students 8th grade placement tests, 9th grade standardized state tests, and the same SAT scores for those students as well. And I want to determine which pairs of data have a stronger correlation. In order to do so, the easiest way is to make sure that the sets of data are in adjacent columns as such. Be sure that you have data points for all of them. So for example, I have 44 students here. I need to have 44 sets of data for all three of these tests. Once I have my table set up top I go to Data, top tab, Data Analysis, and then you'll see that one of the options is correlation. Select OK. And then again, as long as I have all three of these sets of data in adjacent columns, I can highlight all three columns and have that as my input range. The data is grouped by columns, not by rows. I did highlight the titles of each of these, so I need to make sure that the labels in first row is checked. For output range, I want to put the output on this same screen, and then I click OK. And you'll notice that it produces three different pairs of correlations. I have a table set up so that I can compare the standard 9th grade test to the placement test, in this case 0.92. I can compare the placement test to the SAT score, in this case 0.91. And I can compare the standard 9th grade test to the SAT test, 0.93. So this set of data, the strongest correlation is between the 9th grade standardized assessment and the SAT score. However, all three of these are very strong correlations. The ones indicated here are when the placement tests are compared to themselves. In this case, it's a perfect correlation since the scores are the same. Same thing for the 9th grade standardized test as well as the SAT test. The program leaves these cells blank because it's redundant with these values here.